Imagine this. Yesterday at exactly 8 p.m., someone called you and asked, "What were you doing?" Would you say, "I studied," "I study," or "I was studying"? "I was studying" is the correct sentence. So today we will learn this simple rule in just a few minutes. By the end of this lesson, you will use the past continuous tense confidently. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our English grammar series. In the previous lesson, we learned simple past tense, which describes an action that started and finished in the past. Today, we are learning past continuous tense, which is different. It describes an action that was in progress at a particular time in the past. So, let's understand it step by step. What is past continuous tense? Past continuous tense is used to describe an action that was happening at a particular time in the past. Past continuous tense का प्रयोग ऐसे कार्य के लिए किया जाता है जो भूतकाल के किसी निश्चित समय पर चल रहा था. What is its structure? Subject plus was or were plus verb plus ing plus object. Okay. I was studying at 8 p.m. मैं रात 8 बजे पढ़ रहा था. They were playing football. वे फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. What I was doing at 8 p.m.? I was studying at 8 p.m. What were they doing? Or we can say, what were they playing? They were playing football. वे फुटबॉल खेल रहे थे. So, remember this rule. I, he, she, it, singular noun, we use was. Okay? With you, we, they, plural noun, we use were. So, always use verb plus ing after was or were. Okay? In negative sentence, the structure is subject plus was or were plus noun plus verb plus ing plus object. For example, she was not watching TV. वह टीवी नहीं देख रही थी. In interrogative sentence, we can use was or were plus subject plus verb plus ing plus object. Were you studying yesterday evening? Were you studying yesterday evening? क्या तुम कल शाम पढ़ रहे थे? In interrogative sentence, we put question mark. Okay? So now tell me, which sentence is correct? He was play football or he was playing football, and why? So the correct sentence is he was playing football. Why? Because after was or were, we always use first form of the verb plus ing. Okay? So now it's your turn. Answer this question in the comments. What were you doing yesterday at 8 p.m.? I was reading a book. I was helping my mother. I was watching TV. So what were you doing? You have to give the answer. Okay? Now quick revision, okay? So today we learned definition, structure, positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, was were rule, verb plus ing rule. If you found this lesson helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel My Voice Life Skills. Keep practicing English every day because every small step brings you closer to fluency. Okay? In the next lesson, we will learn past perfect tense. Okay? So thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Namaste. Take care.